Right, we're gonna make a video for this electric toaster oven. So we just got it today. It's a capacity of 55 liter, and it's an electric toaster oven. Oh, here we go. We just barely got it today, so I haven't used it yet. So cannot really say how good it is or not, but just the basics that we have in here. 2-door, pretty cool. So we got all the stuff. Let me see. The instruction, yeah, probably don't need to know. Let me see what else. It runs on 120 volt, and the power is 1,800 watt, which is very high. So I have, let me see, 1 level, 2 level, 3 level. The brand is Luby or Luby. So up here is the temperature. Oh, so they got temperature for the top. This is the temperature for the top. It go from 0 to 450 for the top, and here the temperature for the bottom. So you get to adjust different level of heat on top and on the bottom. Which is pretty cool. Most of the oven only do one heating, one setting for heat. We got the timer down here. So the timer is from 0 to 60 minutes. 60. 0 to 60. So what you can do with this is broil anything, toast anything, or bake anything. Remember guys, read the instruction, the safety instruction, very important. Read it. I probably will make another video of how it really worked after I use it. So I'm gonna try it right now for 10 minutes. We set 150 on each. Let's see how fast it heat up. Nothing yet. It's a pretty huge oven. So you can have an idea of how big it is. Normally the regular oven is about this high. Let's see the heat. I feel the heat already. So the recommendation that you need to wash all the tray before using. So this is the thermostat control knob, and there's an indicator light. It's a bottom control temperature. and this is timer control knob. So this tray right here, that tray is number 9. That's a big tray. So there's a big tray right here. Wire rack. There's a big tray handle. This is a crumb tray on the bottom. I'm missing the big tray handle. Where is it?
Oh, this?
Yeah, that's a big tray handle. You should have it in too. There you go. It's hot. I will make a review after I use it for like a month or two. Alright, there you have it. Top knob for the top temperature, second knob for the bottom temperature, and the timer. It's pretty big. 1 rack, 2 rack, and a tray. So you got 3 level, and the bottom one is to catch the crumb or whatever dropped out there. Looks good. Don't know if it's worked well, but Luby, there you go.